buddy.
She's fucked.
We made a 90-degree oh shit, bud. A 45.
She's back.
Not even. We should probably keep going.
This is badass, dude.
Hey, is that a monster truck? What the fuck? Oh, I just realized. Is that a monster truck? Whoa! Look around the bottom, things can come off. What traffic off? What came up?
Hey, I'm Ginger. So my truck has been having death wobble, if that's what you want to call it. So I'm trying to find my lug nut key right now, and my boyfriend said that we should like look at that because apparently it's not good.
She decided that she wanted to eat them. I was very pissed. Very pissed. Thing. Look at the bend on that thing. Yeah. Kids, stand back just in case shit goes flying. Why don't you try to do something like she's Teddy?
Teamwork.
She is tooted a little bit though, I tell you what. Back where he is. He's going to get his dad.
His dad should come by here.
Oh my god. Spaceship. Got these all. Good job.
Huh?
Say good job. Me and Colton have a campfire. Right, so R1 sent me all that, but we have to deal with this situation, which is really just not looking good. So, but we got the front ones off so far. I think I'm leaving them off. So yeah, this has been quite the shit show. God damn it. But those brakes were, I already said it, but from R1Concept. If you need any performance brake parts, hit them up, check them out. Link will be down below. And the spacers are gone. I had 3-inch spacers on it. And so this was like here. Yeah. They're doing the brakes, that was Chrysler. No more BBL. But yeah, basically that's it for this video. I'm gonna start uploading more soon. I say that every time. You guys are probably tired of me. But on God. Alright. Goodbye guys. Weep weep.